Dear friends, welcome to my Sinking Angler channel. My name is Oleg and I am a professional fishing guide from Czech Republic, Prague. Today I'm going to fly fish on the big lake, quite deep lake. But unfortunately I don't have nothing except a 5-weight fly rod with floating line. So because I wanted to fish on the river, but unfortunately the river is full of water now after hard rains. So I will try to fish on the deep lake with average depth around 15 feet, and let's see if I will be able to catch any fish. So let's start. Okay guys, I'm going to use today 9 feet 5-weight fly rod with floating line and 15 feet, I repeat, 15 feet long leader. So I will target, oh, this airplane flying. Anyway, I will target roach and bream first of all, because now it's after spawning season, and I hope they should bite very well. So of course I will use a basket, because on the lake it's quite impossible to fish without a basket, because you know, these banks are not so clear, and it would be a pity to damage the fly line. So let's start. So the first fly wasn't successful. I will switch to typical lake flies, bloodworms. So they should work in any way, because there are a lot of mosquitoes in the air. Fortunately they are not biting yet. Anyway, I will switch to a typical lake fly now. Okay, here is the first fish. What is that? Roach! Big roach! Oh! Yeah! This is a nice roach. Wow! Look at that fish. Yes, look at this roach. Beautiful. It's beautiful fish on the fly. Hello, what's up guys? I caught yesterday unbelievable hard rain, so I just turned back home completely wet, and now I'm on the same lake with some new flies, new buzzers I tied at home, and on the different spot, because the previous spot was occupied by some carp fishers. So I would like to try my new flies and hope they will work. Tot waar. So here's the first roach for today on the 6th cast. After the 6th cast I got this fish just on a new fly. Now I just wait a second, I will show you this successful fly which I tied in the night. So it's very important to use a basket like that for shore fishing, because otherwise your fly line will be very quickly damaged and you will have to buy a new one. Ah, look at the carp fisher behind me. Oh! Ah, baby fish. What is that? Ah. It's a very little roach. Okay. The size is slightly different from the previous one. And dear friends, I want to just tell you about a few things about this place, why do I fish, and about tackle which I use. This is a complex of 2 lakes and very popular among anglers, and it's about 15-20 feet deep with a lot of fish, but mainly during the spring, because now before and after spawning there's a lot of fish around here. It's a perfect place, connected joint with the river for breeding. So now I use the 9 feet long rod, Reddington Weiss combo. It's my favorite, which I use also on the river, but it's quite a difficult place to cast for long distance because all banks are covered by trees, and it's quite impossible to find a good spot for casting. But lake fishing requires really long casts in opposite to the river. Now to the flies which I use. You see some flies just right here, some buzzers. I tied overnight. And of course this is my garbage box, as I say. I just have a collection of many flies. Of course I have different fly boxes, but this is my garbage box with many different flies. And here you can see also some buzzers which I use today, and they work very well for roach, also bream, for ID. So it's quite nice fishing. So guys, I think it's a good time to go home, because the weather is getting better and too many anglers on the water, too many carp fishers. It's quite difficult to find a good spot for fly cast, for the good fly cast. So I hope to show you good fishing the next time again. If you like this video, please smash the thumb up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide from Czech Republic, Prague, and see you soon.